Hello everyone, Wilson Novoa here. Greetings from Dubai. I just want to let you know that Neller Fernandez and I are launching this new info product called Turbo Traffic. Turbo Traffic will be launching this coming 4th of June. We have $1,000 in prizes to give away in our contest. There will be 100% commissions to all of you in the front end and 50% in the rest of the funnel. We have a funnel that can generate 300 per single buyer, plus our first OTO is going to be a recurring commission. So if you are wondering what is turbo traffic, the idea behind all of this is to help your clients to build an email list. Neller is going to be doing the whole training inside of the members area. He's going to show you how he manages to drive 20,000+ subscribers to his email list. He's going to show you how to get targeted traffic in any niche. There are 3 different sources. There are free methods and paid methods. So this is a full training with not only techniques, but he's going to show you the tools that you're going to need to do that. And the proof, he's going to show you his case study on how you can generate this huge email list. So we will really appreciate your support. If you have any questions, you can check our info here in this page. You can grab your links here, and if you need any further assistance, you can find our contacts down below. Hope to see you guys supporting us on this Turbo Traffic launch. Remember, 4th of June, I hope to see you in the leaderboard. All the best.